Hi, welcome to the new version of Templett. We are thrilled to share all the new and exciting features you'll enjoy in our application. First, you'll notice we have added the curved text feature. To use it, click on the text box you want to change, click on the text type button in the toolbar, then select Arch Text. From here, you're able to decide which arch direction you'd like to use, in addition to the curve radius. If you change your mind and want the text to go back to normal, click the text type button again and click Regular Text. On the right side of the screen, you'll see a new panel that contains pages, layers, and template settings. This template has a front and a back side, which I can see at a glance and easily go between the two by clicking either one. To the right of the Pages icon is the Layers panel. You can see that the higher up an object is in the list, the closer it is to the top layer. You're also able to edit the background color for the template by choosing the Add Background option in the very last layer. From here, click the color box and choose the color you'd like it to be. You can place an element in the background by adding it to the template, then going to the Layer section and dragging it down into the background layer. From here, click on the background image button to see the many options you didn't have before. You're able to move it around, change the size, opacity, filters, and you can lock it in place. Another fun feature is the new color panel. Click on a text box, then the color box. When the panel pops up, you'll see a color dropper right here. Click on that. Hover over the item you want to color match and click it. Once the color has changed, click off the template to deselect the color dropper. Each time you use a color, it will show up in the History section here under the standard colors. If you have a favorite color, you can drag it into the Favorite section here. They will always remain there for you to use. As you know, the text box is using color fill by default, so it's a solid color. You can change that by clicking the drop-down menu where you can choose between linear gradient, radial gradient, or pattern fill. We have some impressive gold, silver, and rose gold gradient options, in addition to rainbow colors to choose from. Within these, you're able to adjust the color stops to get the exact look you're going for. You can adjust the colors using the color stops and add or delete them. You can even create your own from scratch to get a really custom look. If you want to use the stroke, you'll find it here next to the color panel. Next, to edit the template settings, you'll want to click on the settings icon to the right of the Layers panel. Here, you can edit the name and tags for your template. You can add instructions, change the size, template type, orientation, max page limit, expiration, and download limit. We also have a new feature called Assigned Elements. This allows you to give access to specific elements even when they aren't added to the template. The elements will be shown in the Customer's Elements pane when they have this template open. So be sure you have the proper licensing for your elements before giving customers access to them with this feature. On the left-hand side of your screen, you'll see the Templates, Text, and Elements panes. The Elements pane has a few new features you're going to love. The default view is your elements. Click the Shapes icon to see all the solid and outlined shapes we have to offer. You can change the size and color of each one because they are SVGs. These are great to use as clipping masks. If you want to browse our library of over 2 million elements, you can click the External Elements button here. You can search for free SVGs, photos, and illustrations that you can use in your templates commercially without any limitations. Simply click the image you want and it automatically goes onto your template. Click the new Scale button in the toolbar to make it larger or smaller. Click the My Elements icon to show your elements and you'll see this new image has already been placed there. You may need to refresh the Elements pane to see it. Want to create a clipping mask? Here's how you do it. Let's say I want this image to go into the circle shape I placed on the template. Click the layers and make sure the image is above the shape. Then right-click and select Create a Clipping Mask. Grab the corner anchor and move the image in or out to make it fit into the shape. You can move the image around within the shape until it's centered how you'd like. The last feature I need to mention is the print button at the top. This is connected to our preferred print partner, Prints of Love, so you can earn commissions on any referrals for print orders. The print button is currently only being shown to US customers. Be sure you set up a partnership with them to get your affiliate link if you haven't already. Customers are still able to download as a PDF, JPEG, or PNG and print from home or anywhere else they'd like. These are just a few of the new additions to the design area we hope you'll love. If you have any questions, you can watch help videos or reach out to support by going to help.templett.com or by clicking the help link in the top right corner.